Okay, time for the big reveal. What's it gonna be? Set of Mustang seats. Way too tall for this thing. Guess they didn't build people back my size back in that day. You know, sometimes we gotta grow up. Not today though. I figure out how the hell to get this thing out of here. Oh, I'm back. Wait, this thing's on the track? Holy shit. I can't get the seat out because this is in the way. This will not come out past it because I can't get it beyond there. If you try this, call a friend. Oh. Whew. So much more room for activities. And the bomb! Yay! Gas tank in the cab. Fantastic. Don't know who thought that was a good idea in the 60s, but fail. Alright, that's out. Let's go ahead and grab in the new stuff. Now, I chose to go with a pair of Mustang seats for a couple of reasons. First off, they were the right price. They were only $100 for the pair. And bonus, they came with manual sliders already. I don't have to deal with any electronics for this, which is perfect. 2, it's got the side bolsters. I'm going to do more road course with this truck at some point in its future. I wanted something that's going to kind of hold me in place as I drive around the track and my passenger. I can't have somebody sit here anyways because of the shifter. And last, I wanted a high back seat. I wanted a headrest. I've been in several car accidents. My neck's already got enough issues. I don't need somebody to rear end me on a racetrack or on the street when I'm driving to a car show and my head going into this rear window. It moved me actually a little bit closer to the steering wheel, which is backwards from what I thought it would actually do because I kind of sit into the seat more. But it definitely lowered me down. This is a fantastic height. What I'm at right now with this seat, it's really good. It's got everything at the right level for me. So now I just gotta figure out how to mount it to this the way it is because these brackets aren't exactly the right one. The initial test fit is actually really good. I'm really surprised on how well these fit in here. But mounting might be a little more of a challenge. Rear side shouldn't be a problem because that's pretty flat there. So slight bend there, easy. That, on the other hand, is sitting on a bit of the lump there. You know, this lifting helps me lose weight. It means I fit in the car better. It's a win! Win-win! Now I know these seats are in the best of shape. Missing a couple side pieces, whatever. I don't care. I wanted bucket seats for this truck, and because they're from a Mustang, I can get anything and everything I want for these. I can get all the new parts for these if I wanted to. I can get all new skins and covers for them if I wanted to. I probably will go a different route in the future, but for $100, these will do me great for now. Now I just need to cut this off so I can start making a new bracket for them to fit on the floor in there. Finally. Been a few days, so since then, I've made this. This is the seat bracket I need to mount my driver's side seat into my F100. Now, in order to make this, first I did like these, then like these, and these, then these, and then finally like these. Are installed. They are not going anywhere. That is solid. I'm really happy with this color combo. I mean, this is looking really good to me. What are your thoughts? Put them in the comments below. Let me know. Do you like this gray color with this wood grain steering wheel? And a bonus to swapping out these seats for the bench seat is I get this space now. I have this whole area. This shifter is going to end up moving back, but all this space, maybe I can get an old truck seat, third row seat that has storage or something here. I really have no place to put anything in this truck, so having a nice little pocket to put stuff here will be a huge win. But I don't know. I haven't quite got that far yet. I have a lot of things to do to this truck still. I need to fix this gas pedal, brake pedal. I mean, this gap down there is ridiculous. I got to move the shifter back here, then still leave a space for a pocket. So many things before I even get to work on the Mercury and doing the conversion for that. I just want to be able to drive this truck while I'm working on the other part of this for the next phase of this build. I still have tons of projects to work on this truck, so be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Till next time, peace.